charts looking spooky, candles doing witchcraft, NASDAQ waving at me, specter in the riffraff. Gold got the treasure buried deep like a tomb, market makers lurking, shadows in the dark room. Fear of liquidation got me sweating nightly chills, watching calls echo like echoes in the hills. Screens glow, eerie numbers on a dark stage. I'm trying to make a living, break out of this cage. Trades by Slade, haunting the tickers, every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Spin stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by Slade, ghostly serenade. Watch them candles be like fangs in the mist. Intraday terror, every trade's a twist. Market ghouls whisper, trying to snatch my soul, but I'm steady on the grind, pockets full of gold. Creeping through the charts, shadows in disguise, haunted by the graphs.
Yo, 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 what's up, what's up? Good morning, how's it going? What's up, caveman? How's it going, bro? How's it going, dude? Getting this thing set up, getting the music set up real fast, and then we'll get going here. Fit the aviator. Dude, that's a Halloween one. The OG sounds better. Wait till after Halloween, we'll get the OG going. All right, let's get into this here. Bang, here we go. Dude, we took a win this morning, right here in London session. Took a nice win, 16 points this morning. Oh shoot, hang on. I gotta get this set up here. My bad, boys. Gotta get it fully set up and ready to roll. Yo, what's up? Good morning. Dude, this thing's being like OCD. All right, perfect. Perfect. What up, Futch? Yo, Yash, what's up? If you're coming in, say hello. We caught the win this morning, dude. We caught the win. Right there. Let's go. What's up? Oh yeah, this looks nice, man. Everything looking real nice. What up, Futch? What up? Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. All right, dude. My clock is fast. I know, bro. Dude, it's my computer clock. I don't know how to fix it. I try to fix it. I don't know how. Every time I log into Tradeify, it says my clock is off, but it's literally, dude, it's my computer and I don't know how to fix it. So if anybody knows how to fix the computer clock, please let me know. Carmuk says nothing starts with N and ends with G. All right, dude, let me go over this trade we took this morning in the premium group here. It's a PC, Sammy. Got me one of the Apex Slade accounts you advertise. How your monthly get? You just go into Discord and put your order number in that monthly raffle thing. You'll be entered in the giveaway All right, dude, let's go over this trade. So this morning we'd been coming up, and then boom, right here during the London session, we got this sell-off. And I said, if we come sweep one of these lows right here and get a nice inversion play, I would take it. So we swept this first low right here. We got an inversion on the 1 minute time frame, and we had a 5 minute fair value gap sitting up here. And so I had my limit order setting. I didn't mark it in. I had my limit order setting there, and I said, if we don't come tap this 5 minute first, I'll still enter if we come back down. So it got real close, but it didn't tap into this 5 minute gap. So it came down, tapped us in, and then boom, tapped that 5 minute fair value gap and started to reject. So pretty much a perfect trade there. The indicator alerted it, so it was sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. And then you can see it rejected from that 5 minute fair value gap and dumped down. So yeah, pretty good trade this morning. Dude, let's get into it though. Let's get the analysis going on right here. So I'm gonna start off on the daily, dude. We got a daily inversion right here. It didn't have a sweep. But we do have a daily inversion going on. Cody, yeah. If something pops up, I show a live trade. If something happens while I'm streaming. But I saved most of that for the premium group, Cody. So if you want to join that, you can join up. So look right here. This is a daily inversion. So I'd be curious to see if we continue down here now. Now if we hop over to the 4 hour, we have a 4 hour fair value gap on NQ that we are rejecting. So we came up, tapping into this 4 hour fair value gap, and now we're rejecting down. All right, so knowing that, let's hop over here to the 1 hour. And now, so on this 1 hour, we got a 1 hour inversion here and delivering from a 4 hour fair value gap. So 1 hour inversion. One hour inversion right here. And then also there's a 4 hour fair value gap. Four-hour FVG. Now if I hop down to the 1 hour, you can see that 4 hour FVG right there. And I'm gonna make this red. 4 hour bearish FVG that we're rejecting from. So on the 1 hour, I could see us coming down here to this here, and then possibly even this low right here. So I'm going to say this is going to come down to here. And from here, it could go like this right here. Or it could get an inversion right here. So like that. All right, so that's going to be my analysis today. I think we're definitely going to come down here. So, yeah. So I'm going to send this to the group, and we can try to catch a play. But what's up, everybody? How's it going? What's up, Miss K? How's it going? All right. Boom, sent it out. So this is the plan. So let me see if we can find an entry here. Yo, what up, V-Gay-Boar? What's going on? See if we can find an entry. We got a 1 hour inversion delivering from this 4 hour fair value gap. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find an entry down to these levels right here. Boom and boom. 2 different sell side levels. Sell side. Sell side. Man, all right. Now there's the plan. Let's see if we can get an entry on the stream this morning. What up, what up, what up? All right, dude. How's everybody doing? Was everybody green yesterday? We got 40 people in here. We got 12 likes. Let's go. Was everybody green yesterday? I want to see us come take this out down here. Maybe we get a retrace back up. And then boom, something like this. For the stream. It's 1:15 a.m. there, Blaze. Oh, man. Something like this. Yo, dude, I think I found some really good, oh, hang on. I think I found some really good instant funded accounts. Dude, Hyperticks. They have some really good funded accounts. I'm testing them out. I got some hyperticks accounts, so I'm gonna test them out, see what's going on, see if they're any good or not. You're on a big island, Blaze? What island? What island are you on? The big island. What up, Ben Trades from Texas? What's going on? Dominican. Why not? I want to conquer them all, dude. I want to collect them like freaking Pokemon cards, bro. I'm gonna collect prop firm payouts like Pokemon cards. I want a payout banner from all of them. Yo, thanks for the sub, Kosh Mini. I want a payout banner from every prop firm. Yo, thanks for the sub. Collect them like freaking Pokemon cards, brother. Sia says, what currency pair are you trading from South Africa? Let's go. This is the NASDAQ NQ futures, but NAS 100 if you're on Forex. NAS 100 right here. I want to see us come down to these lows here. See if we can get an entry. If we don't get an entry, we might just be going back up. But I want to see us come down to these lows. So if I get any kind of entry, maybe we come up here, tap into this fair value gap, or sweep these highs up here, and then we get an entry back down. Bro, Fit the Aviator, he did. Got me on hyperticks. Hyperticks. I'm about to get a payout, bro. Dude, the funded accounts are... They got some really cool features, actually, that the guy was walking me through it. And it's actually some really cool features. So, say you have a bad day, right? You have a bad blow-up day. And... you want to get back some of that, you can actually get a mini reset. So you can reset like a percentage of your account for a lot cheaper than resetting the full account. So that's a really cool feature. Say you lost like 200 bucks in one day and you said, man, I just took a stupid trade. I don't really want to, you know, I didn't really mean to do that. Let me see if, you know, let me reset that day. You can do that, which is cool. So I'm going to try them out. I'm going to try to get to a payout. Ben Trade said, is this a good pivot for a sell-off? Yeah, it could be. We're inside of a fair value gap right here. And I think we're targeting these sell side lows down here. So I'm going to try to catch an entry down there. If not, we did just sweep out these lows down here. So I'm going to see if we want to try to come up or down. But, you know what? Let me see. I might be taking a short here in a minute. See how high we want to come up here. Let me see if the indicator alerted this short. You know what? I'm going to take a short here. We got an inversion. Try to take a short down to here. Put my stop above this high right here. What up, Devin? What up, bro? See. All right, can we get the dumpage? Think we're targeting those lows. We got an inversion right here. Can we get the dump? Yo, what up, Devin? Yes, sir. Big pimpin'. Big pimpin'. Blaze said, what's an inversion? So when you get a fair value gap like this right here, it's where the wick of the first candle doesn't touch the wick of the third candle. That's a fair value gap. And usually price is supposed to respect it and bounce and keep going. Well, when it closes on the opposite side, that's an inversion. So like you see, this is a fair value gap right here that worked out. Fair value gap, and price respected the gap and kept going down. So that's how they're supposed to work. But when they get inversed, you can typically see a move down, or whichever way the inversion is. The indicator didn't even alert this one, so Devin, I think it's best to learn the strategy first before you get the indicator. The indicator's not going to make you profitable, I'd say. You still have to use discretion on which trades to enter. So, and it's better if you can figure the stuff out yourself. So I would say start off not getting the indicator and try to find some good setups first. Blaze said, I need to make a vocabulary list for all these words. Dude, my vocabulary is getting a lot better. Saya says, thank you. So you only trade FEGs, not order blocks? No, I don't trade order blocks. I don't trade the order blocks. It is true, Miss K. It is true. Nah, the indicator didn't alert this one out. So if it loses, I'm gonna say it's because the indicator didn't alert it. If it loses, it's because the indicator didn't alert it. But the indicator has been calling out some bangers this morning, honestly. Called out the shorts right here, bang. Shorts right here, banged. Longs right here. This is the trade I took. Banged. Longs, banged. But it didn't alert this one, so let's see. It did not alert this one. Maybe if I put it on a different setting, but the settings I have right now are pretty phenomenal, so I'm gonna leave them. Well, it's working its way back up. Hopefully this gap here can save us. Oh boy. Oh boy. We got one gap here that can save us. If it doesn't save us, we're getting stopped out of this thing. The only problem is this stop here would actually might provide a good second entry back down, because there's a nice gap right here that it could take out, sweep this high, tap into this gap, and then get an inversion back down. So that's the only problem. That's the only problem here. You guys think this trade's gonna bang or lose? Let me know, dude. It's kind of grinding up. It's grinding up. The inversion got taken out right there. So, might lose. Ben Trade said it's going to dump. Hang on. It just tapped into this top fair value gap, so that is always a good sign. Look at this rejection from the top fair value gap up there. Come on, bang it out here. Nah, Devin, I still like it. Still like it. See, that's why I put my stop loss up above here. We got this fair value gap that it's a first fair value gap. It really wouldn't be. I think it's good. I like it. I like the trade. This level down here looks super juicy, which is why I like the trade so much. Got this big wick down here. It looks good on the hourly. The only problem is we just might come up first and then dump. But I'm hoping we just dump it down now. Yes, sir, Ben Trades. They need to step in here. These sellers, they need to man the frig up, okay? These sellers. If this 3-minute gets inversed, I may cut it early. If this 3-minute right here gets inversed. But the sellers, they need to just man the frig up and dump it off right here for us. A minute and 50 left on this 3-minute. I need to see some selling pressure going on, dude. Need to see some serious selling pressure down to this sell side level, bruh. What's up said the Bears have ran away. Dude, they tried. The Bears tried off of this fair value gap. Had a nice dump, but it's just grinding up at the moment. I want to see a big old sell off to this sell side level down there. Maxwell said it has to feel the whole fair value gap and drop. As long as the drop comes, you know, as long as the drop comes. Hey, dude. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty pissed off right now. We've only got 14 likes on here. We've only got 14 likes here. What the heck, man? Smash the like button. Do a giveaway later if you guys smash the like button. Might do a giveaway. You gotta smash that like though, because I might be taking an L here on this trade, which is not ideal. Coming up, godly. I need this 3-minute to reject down. Reject it. Okay, didn't close above. 3-minute didn't close above there. The only problem with his stop loss is that's actually a good short spot. Come up, sweep this high right here, and from this gap right here. Hopefully it doesn't make it up there though. Hopefully we can start to dump, dude. Let's dump it right here, right now. No playing around. Maybe the algo will give up the channel. I know it, bro. I know it. Yeah, make it a habit. Smash the like button. We got 24 likes. Bro, who wants to see me get a payout on hyperticks? Who wants to see me get a payout on hyperticks? The real question. Hyperticks right here. This is who I'm trading with right now. I'm gonna try to get a payout. Think I can do it, bro? I'm collecting freaking Pokemon. The Pokemons of I'm collecting all the cards, all the payout cards. I want them. Now I'm doing hyperticks. I got 3 150K instant accounts. They have some pretty good rules, dude, is the reason I got them. So, we'll see. If you want to try them out, you can try them out. Dude, my code's better. They said they gave me the best code. It's better than anybody's. You get the most discount. Oh, you want the Gucci sunglasses on, bro? Here you go. Boom. Boom. We're rocking and rolling now, brother. We're rocking and rolling. Joey, I don't know whose prop firm it is. It's a prop firm I found. I'm trading with them. Hyperticks. They got instant funded accounts. I'm going to try to get a payout on them. I'm going to try to get to a payout. They got instant funded. Let's get the dump, baby. Let's see it. Dump it down. Come on. Let's get the dump. Yeah, dude, but if you use, yeah, I'm in one, Joey. I mean, it is short. If you use, but it's in drawdown right now. It might get stopped out, honestly. It's just grinding up here. I think, you know what I think's gonna happen? Like, I literally believe this is gonna happen. So my stop loss may be a better entry. Because I think this is what's gonna happen. It's gonna come up, tap into this gap here, sweep that liquidity, sweep this liquidity right here, tap into this fair value gap, and then it's gonna get an inversion and dump down. I think this is probably gonna happen. But we'll see. Eric Sonic in the premium group, it's 80% win rate. Eric Sonic on this YouTube stream, I kind of take some not so great entries, but when in the premium group, it's 80%. On here on YouTube, I just kind of play around, but when I'm serious, 80%. Yo, we got 82 people in here. Let's smash that like button. Does anybody want a free Hypertix account to try out? There's no activation fee. So if you pass the account, there's no activation fee. If you want to try them out with me, I can give you a free account. Let me know if that's something you want. And the Hypertix giveaway would actually be really good because there's no activation fee. So if you pass the funded, you could literally get a payout for free. And you could try out a new prop firm with, they have some really cool rules actually. I got down to looking at it, and like some of the stuff they have is pretty cool. Like they have I can share my dashboard with you so you could see all of my trades in live time. And other stuff, like if you lose, say you lost 2% of your drawdown, you could reset it. Instead of resetting the full account, you can reset partial. So you could reset like 2% of the account and stuff like that. But all right, if we get enough likes, I'll do a Hypertix giveaway at the end. But there is one stipulation. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is you have to come over here. You have to come over here to hypertix.com, and you just have to sign up. You don't have to buy any accounts. Just make an account so that way they know that I'm sending people over there and they'll send us more accounts. Just come over here to Hypertix and make an account. You don't have to buy anything. Just literally make an account and you'll be entered in the giveaway. And when you make an account, just type done in the chat or something, so I know you did it. Yeah, it's just hypertix.com. Let me see. Let me see if I can grab it. Just go make an account right here, and you'll be entered in the giveaway for the free account. You don't have to buy anything. Bowser said, so basically you need to get paid to take a decent trade. Yep. That's it, Bowser. You got it, buddy. You got it. You got it. What's up? What's up? Said, hey Slade, what are your thoughts of Tradeify and their instant funded accounts? Have you or anyone had any problems with their consistency rules? Nope, they have good funded accounts. Tradeify, good funded accounts. No problems with them. Oh. Don't worry, Fit the Aviator. I know that guy Bowser. He's just like that. He's like that everywhere and everybody. Dude, that guy Bowser got banned from prop firms because he's a scammer. Bowser got banned from prop firms because of what he does on social media and stuff. So if you want to listen to him, that's fine. But just know he got banned. Oh, let's go. Moxie created an account. Devin created an account. Mubarak created an account. Let's go. Yeah, there's no reference link right now. Let's go. Appreciate it, guys. Yeah, just sign up and yeah, you'll be in. Yeah, price is literally doing nothing right here, huh? It's doing nothing right here. Can we get the dumpage? Your movie just signed up. Let's go. Bowser said, how's their platform? I'm not going to lie. It's kind of booty. Volumetrica. The platform's booty. But I use them with Quantower. So if you have Quantower, you can use Quantower. Dude, I said, what the heck, man? Y'all ain't got Tradeify? And they said they're working on it, so we'll see. But for right now, it's Volumetrica or Quantower. You can use Quantower. Quantower's good. It's actually my favorite, but back in the profit land, dude. Back in the profit land. Nathan Lopez, dude. I'm trading with the 150K instant fundeds. I haven't taken a trade on them yet, but I got them. I wish I would have taken the trade this morning. I had them, but I just didn't. I didn't have them logged in. VGay Boar, if you just sign up, that's it. Just sign up. And then just tell me. Yeah, Bowser. That, I mean, you don't have to buy them. I mean, don't buy them. I want to test them out first. I'll just give you a free account on a giveaway, and then you can try it out. But I'm going to test them. If you want to test them with me, do it at your own risk. But I'm going to test it out. I'm putting my own money on the line, and then if you want to trade with them, I'll give away some accounts, and then you can trade with them. Franco, the code is Slade, but that's only if you purchase an account. If you just sign up, that's all you have to do to enter the giveaway. But if you want to test them with me, then and you don't win the giveaway, you can use code Slade. It's the best discount. It's 40% off any account. And there's no activation fee on the tests, but I'm doing the instant funds. All right, dude, let's see this. If this got inversed right here, it's probably coming to take me out. So we did just inverse this 1 minute. So I want to see it kind of dump down from here now. I want to see it dump down from here. All right, Devin. Yeah, dude, Bowser, that's how I always play it, bro. I always get in these prop firms early. I got in Fast Track early. I got in Tradeify early. Like, dude, it's probabilities. It's just like anything, bro. Like, when they first open, dude, they have the best discounts. It's like, I don't understand. Like, people always hate on the new prop firms, but they're my favorite, dude. They always have the best rules and the best discounts because they're trying to get people in. Then after people start taking payouts, only then do they cut back on the discounts, cut back on, you know, that kind of stuff. But if you get in it early, that's when you really get paid, and that's when you can take advantage. Like Fast Track, I got paid, like that's the most I ever got paid the quickest, I think, with Fast Track. I was getting huge payouts on Fast Track, and then, you know, the stuff started going on. But it's because I got in early. It's like the same thing with anything. If you get in early, you reap the rewards. So try them at your own risk, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing. And if you use code Slade, it gives you the best discount. Even better than their default discount, they said. Futch. So the payouts are twice a month. Twice a month, but you can request a payout as soon as you reach it, and it goes into your wallet. It'll get removed from your account and go into your wallet, and then you can remove it from the wallet twice a month. All right, dude, we're getting the dump, baby. I'm going to break even right here. I'm going to break even. So let's see. I went to break even at this low right here. We just rebroke this low, so I went to break even. Now let's see. Let's see if it's going to be a break-even trade. Mike Slap said, what is your biggest losing day, week, and month? Dude, I don't know. Huge. I mean, if you're counting prop firm money as money, then huge. I've blown up some prop firm accounts with like 20 accounts, so it'd been huge. But actual money, not too large. Well, there is a risk to some of them go bankrupt. I lost 300 with a new company like this. Yeah, Michael, of course. There's risk in anything, bro. I mean, there's risk in driving to the grocery store. Are you not going to drive to the grocery store because a car might hit you and you die? Like, that's what I'm saying. You gotta like analyze the risk and reward, and then if you think it's a good deal, then you take it. That's it, dude. If you don't want to take the risk, then don't do it. I'm not telling you to trade with them. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. And many times I've gotten in on these prop firms early, and I've you know, gotten the benefits from getting in early. I get the cheapest accounts, I get the biggest payouts, and the best rules. So what up, Biblical? How's it going? Ahmed, my strategy, I trade inversion fair value gaps. We're dumping, baby! In and out of that sell side level right there, son. All right, dude, I'm going to trail it down a bit. I'm going to trail it down here. I'm going to go right here to this break even, above this wick, above this 1 minute candle here. I'm above this 1 minute candle now. Let's see if we can get a dump. I'm locking in some profits. I'm locking in the profits. Let's go, Biblical. Biblical made 1,500. Let's go, dude. I'm up 1,500 right now. I don't know. I might should just close it, but I'm just going to trail it. See if it can dump down. I'll probably get stopped out in profit here. Swept this low. Might get a little bounce up, but hopefully it can just continue the dump. It's at the daily 20 now, SMA. See if we can burst through it. Cryptomania. This is NQ, the NASDAQ futures. Come on. Big red candle right here. Oh, out of there. Winner chicken dinner. So it took my profits right there and got out. So I'm going to put this line here. This is where I got out of the trade. Let's see if it was a good idea or bad to get out right there. Make it a blue line right there. I'll make it white. I'll make a white line. Be easy to see. Trailed out of trade. I got trailed out right there. I Brown signed up. Rustam signed up. Let's go. Bowser said, we're at 50% of the 15-minute wick from last night. Appreciate it, Miss K. Thank you. The prop firm is HyperTix. I don't want to mention it too much because I'll get a lot of hate, but I'm going to try him out, dude. I'm going to try him out. But if you sign up, you don't have to buy an account or anything. If you sign up, you'll be entered in the giveaway today. You can try him out too. If you just sign up, make an account, you don't have to spend any money. Just make an account and you can be in the giveaway. I'll give away an account and you can try him out too. But I'm going to try him, dude. Oftentimes when I've gotten in these prop firms early, it's worked out well. I get the best rules and the best discounts. So I think it's worth the risk to give it a try. So if you want to try, I'm not telling you, it could be risky. It could be risky. They're not, but if you want to give it a try too, you can use code SLADE and get the best discount. But trade it at your own risk. I Brown, the special offer is for the first month only. Should I make it recurring? Should I make it recurring? Bowser, the consistency is 20%. It's 20%. But on, whoa, look at that, dude. Oh my gosh. So the consistency on the instant fundeds are 20%, but they're cheap. The consistency, there's no consistency on the fundeds if you pass a test account. So if you there's a 40% consistency on the tests, But if you pass the test account, there's no consistency on the funded. So it makes you think a little bit. Do you want to, you know, do the instant fundeds, take base hits, and have a 20% consistency rule? Or do you want to have no consistency on funded, but have to have an evaluation? I take base hits anyway, so I just did the instant fundeds because I don't try to go for, I just try to make around the same amount every day anyway. Look at that dump, bro. I'm telling you this, I was telling you it's coming down here, probably. Oh. I like that level on the 1 hour chart. So I looked at the chart on the 1 hour time frame, and this looked like a juicy spot for price to come. Bowser said they must have max payouts. Yeah, they do. I don't know what the max payout is, actually. But yeah, they got max payouts. You can't request. But the good thing is, though, so say you're trading a 50K account, you can request a payout at 2,500. There's no what's it called? Buffer. You can request. Well, Moxie said base hits for Slate around 2K per day. It depends on what account size I'm trading for the base hit. This is NQ NASDAQ Futures. I know it, I Brown. Should have left runners. Oh well. Got trailed out right there. Still a nice win. For a 50K, my base hit is $200 to $500 for a 50K account. Uh-oh, look at this. Is the indicator going to call out this inversion right here is the real question. The indicator hasn't called out an inversion in a while. I got these pretty dialed in now, dude. These settings for the indicator. I got them pretty dialed in. Dude, but it ain't calling out anything. Let me see. Maybe if I turn this off. It's probably ranked a C. I bet this is ranked a C. Just because it didn't sweep anything. Bowser. Dude, I gotta do it like this, man. It gets the people. It gets the people on Instagram, bro. This is marketing 101. The white background, black and green candles. It gets the people, bro. White background, black candles. That's what really gets them going on Instagram. That's what gets you that engagement. Saccharin want me to look at gold. What's gold doing? Bro, the indicator ain't calling out nothing lately. This is the last thing it called out. I have the settings pretty dialed up on here now. See, it didn't call that one, and it looks like it might be a loser. So it could reject and continue up from here, though. Fair value got right here. It looks like a pretty good inversion, though. We'll see if the indicator should have called it. Moxie said, if that 1 minute FPG inverses, I'm short to target sell side. Let's see. See if it happens. Yo, thanks for the sub, Aaron. Yeah, bro. So is anybody gonna give Hypertix a try with me? I'm not telling you to, but I would like to know if anybody's gonna try him out with me. Yo, Biblical says 25010 would be a good target to the upside if it decides to trap longs. 25010. Yeah, that does look pretty good. But I do like this sell side level down here looks so good. I think it wants to take it out at some point. It's just when. It's just when does it want to come take it out? You know, does it want to come back up here, maybe sweep this high and then come down, or is it just so close now that it's just going to come down and take it out? So we'll see. We'll see. Bro, Hypertix, it's Quantower and Volumetrica, so kind of booty. I'm not gonna lie, dude. They don't have Tradeify. Kind of booty. But I like Quantower, so I'm gonna use them on Quantower. I don't know if you can link with TradingView. Probably. Probably. Oh, you can't link it? I don't know. Let's see, dude. Is this going to come down to the sell side level down here? Is it going to go take it out? Is it going to take it out? Bro, look at this. Look at this. I got to show you something. So with these settings right here, I got some settings for the indicator, and I sent them in the Discord for the IFEG indicator. I sent my settings to the Discord for the IFEG indicator, and look at this. Laser was trading this morning. Laser was trading. He said, I've taken 4 trades with the indicator and they all landed. Dude, 4 trades all banged out. Let's go, dude. I'm telling you, I think I got the best settings for this indicator. I think I got it, dude. I have it set on series, sensitivity, normal. And I noticed that the minimum grade, if you set it at B-, it's a lot better than C. So this thing, I got it pretty dialed in. Biblical premium members only for what? That Laser was in the general. He bought the indicator and just been using it. But I sent my settings in that general chat for the indicator. Well, it's not my indicator anyway. It's Dottie's indicator. I just been using it, testing it out for him. And I think I found some good settings. But it's okay. The indicator's good. The indicator's good, but you still have to, know how to trade and stuff. It's good for alerts. So like if you're at work or something and you want the indicator to alert you on if an IFEG forms, that's when it's good. But you still have to look at it and make sure like the setup looks good. Let me send the link for the indicator if you want to check it out. Here we go. Let me drop the link for the indicator. Here we go, boys. Dump it. If you want to check out the inversion indicator, this is it right here. That's the inversion indicator if you want to check it out. Come on, dude. Go take out that level. Go take it out. Go take it out, dude. Please. All right. All right. I'm about to get ready for the giveaway. So if you signed up, I'm about to make a poll. Bowser, I mean, it's honestly the same. You know, a lot of people are selling jewelry. A lot of people are selling their gold and stuff, but people are still gonna buy engagement rings and stuff, so it's honestly the same. And it's not too bad because we bought a lot of the jewelry before the price increase, so we can still offer pretty good prices. But next year, you know, right now we still good because we bought a lot of the jewelry before the prices went up. All right, I'm starting a poll for the giveaway. You gotta make one. I'm gonna check too if you little sorry jokers are lying. It's free though. It's free, so it's easy to make an account. And it's free. Yeah, but if you want my settings for the indicator, just message in the general chat in my Discord and I'll send it in there. Or I might just make a separate thing for the indicator. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, but if you want the settings, I got it pretty dialed in right now. It took this long for the win. Took this short for the win. Took this short for the win. This long for a win. Long right here for a win. Short right here. I don't know. This was either a win or break even right here. Probably break even on that one. But dude, can we take out that sell side level already? Just do it. So we can run this giveaway. Take it out. Take it out. Go take it out. Devin said make an indicator view only channel to show people your settings. Yeah, I could do that. I might do that. All right, let's get it set up here. Somebody let me know if the trade bangs out. Somebody let me know if we hit TP on the trade idea there. I'll leave it down here so we can see it at the bottom. But I'm going to get this giveaway rolling. We get this giveaway rolling here. It's bouncing back up. That is not ideal. I want to see the thing dump down to the sell side. The keyword, it's going to be hyperticks. Type hyperticks to be entered into the giveaway. And you had to sign up with a free account with them. There we go. See your name, you're entered. I'm gonna check to see if you made a free account. So, because they can't send you the account anyway unless you signed up. So you got to sign up if you want to receive the account anyway, but I'm going to check to see if you signed up. So enter in, type hyperticks, be in the giveaway. I'm going to start trading these accounts tomorrow. I didn't trade them yet, but I'm starting tomorrow. The road to the hyperticks payout starts tomorrow. Let me know when y'all are ready and done entering, and we'll run it. We'll run it. David, what does it say, bro? What does the email say? To confirm account. All right, here we go. This thing's about to go to the sell side, dude. Moxie said, how could you know we created an account? I know everything. Nah, I'm going to check, though. Whoever wins, I'm going to tell them to send me a pic. But, Moxie, anyway, even to win, even to receive the account, you have to have an account so they can send you the you know, you have to have one signed up so they can send the account to you. Yeah, I got my crystal ball. Let me just pull out my crystal ball. All right, dude. Are you guys ready? Everybody entered in? We got 22 people up in here. Everybody entered in? We ready? We ready? We ready? Oh yeah, dude. I forgot to even mention that. So another thing, like, so the HTP, it's like a, so if it says 20, you got like a $2 cash back, basically. It's cash back. Anytime you buy an account, you get cash back and stuff. So the HTP is times 10. So if it's 20 points, then it's $2. So you get a $2 cash back just for signing up. Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. Each time you buy an account, you receive cash back. Yeah, kind of like TPT. Yeah, the point system and stuff. And then you can use those points to get accounts and stuff. Get accounts, and you can use the points to, like, remember how I was telling you about the reset? So if you have a bad trading day, you can like reset the day instead of resetting the whole account. You can reset the day using the points, stuff like that. If you have a bad trading day, you can reset the day. It's less points than resetting the whole account. But yeah, I thought it was a cool idea. But people might take advantage of that in the future, so they might change that rule, which is why I'm trying to get in early and take advantage of it. I'm trying to take advantage of it. All right, we're about to run it. Whoa, pit sweating. My pits are sweating. I just saw it, dude. All right. My underarm's sweating, bro. All right, we're about to run it. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Teach like a DJ is the winner. Let's go, dude. Message in the Discord. Message me in Discord. I'll get that account sent out to you. Shoot me a message in the Discord. Congratulations, bro. You're gonna get a HyperTix account. Be trading with me. Yeah, David, I think he won last time too, man. I was thinking that, dude. And I used two different things. This time I used Nightbot. Last time I used ChatGPT. Some people are just lucky, dude. Some people are just lucky. Yeah. But yeah, just message in that general Discord and I'll shoot it over. Sweet. Sweet, sweet. All right, now we can take out the sell side now that we ran the giveaway. Just do it. Just do it already. Let me take a screenshot here of this trade. Free YouTube trade this morning. Free YouTube trade. Bang. Bang, bang. Dude, okay, so Discord has this like Halloween themed sounds now. And literally for the past 4 days, I've thought my sound on my computer is messed up. Cause it literally sounds like the message sound. It sounds like a regular message sound that's just like messed up somehow. Like it's hard to explain. But I've been going through my settings on my computer trying to figure out why the Discord sound is messed up. And then I went in Discord settings and I saw where it said Halloween theme sounds. What the heck, dude? Look at this edge job. Dude, it freaking edged us here. Edged on the TP. What the heck? Edged. It's gonna come smash through it like this. Bang it. It's gonna bang it, dude. It's gonna bang it. I know what we gotta do. I know what we got to do, boys. I got it. You gotta mark it up as a win. And then you gotta draw the wall of China right here. There we go. The wall is rejecting it, boys. You just gotta draw the wall. Draw the wall and send it down. It's gonna try to get through this wall. It ain't gonna make it, dude. I got the wall there. It's strong. Strong wall. It ain't gonna make it through there. There we go. Reject that wall and dump it. Dump it down. Now we got to draw a magnet down here. This is the magnet I drew right here. I drew it. It's my magnet. And now we got to activate the magnet. Bang. Magnet activated now. Dump it down there, buddy. Do it right now. Come on. Hit the like button for me. Hit the like button, please. It's begging for more likes is what it's doing. It's begging for more likes. It's just begging for more likes. It's wanting you guys to hit the like button. We got 51 likes. I said if we get to 60, it's going to get down there to that sell side level. That's what it said. It told me if you guys get to 60 likes, it's going to make it to the sell side level. That's what it told me. We're at 53. 7 more likes, and this is going to hit the full TP. And 7 more likes. Dude, can it do it? Can you guys do it? Can you bang it out? Got the magnet. I'm like an artiste, boys. You ever seen an artist? I'm one of them. Look at that magnet I drew right there. What the heck, dude? It's being stubborn. The old stubborn NASDAQ this morning. It gave you a time limit. You weren't hitting it. 5 more likes to get down there to that full TP. Dominican said, where are your Apex 50 accounts? Bro, Apex don't even have 50 accounts. What you talking about, brother? What's this guy smoking? Apex is max 20. Apex is max 20 accounts. Yeah. Don't worry. I blew those up about a month ago. I blew those up, dude. After I took 2 payouts. I made like 50,000 in payouts on those, and then I could have taken another payout, but I was trying to go for the max, but pushed them a little too hard, blew them up. So those have been gone about a month now. Where you been at, bro? I said it when I did it. I said it when I blew them up. Come on. Dump. We're almost there. It's gonna go right into the magnet. Boom! Woo! I told you it was gonna burst through there, dude. What did I say? I knew it. It bursted right to the magnet. Makes me want to take my shirt off, dude. Gosh, that just fires me up, dude. Oh, man. Heck yeah. What a trade. What a win. What a win. What a trade. What a win. What a day. Guys, I'm telling you, you got to get the magnets. I draw them. I draw them myself. So if you want one... I'm selling them. I'll give you an affiliate link if you want one. I'll give you an affiliate link if you want to sell my magnets for me. All right, boys. I'm hopping off of here. Hope you guys have a good day. Get Hypertix if you want to trade with me. And all right. Alrighty, boys. I'll see you later tomorrow. I'll see you at 7 a.m. Join the Discord. Join the premium group. We're always banging out trades just like this. All right, guys. Cove, you missed it, man. See ya. See you later, dude. I'll hop on your stream later on.
charts looking spooky, candles doing witchcraft, NASDAQ waving at me, specter in the riffraff. Gold got the treasure buried deep like a tomb, market makers lurking, shadows in the dark room. Fear of liquidation got me sweating nightly chills, margin calls echo like echoes in the hills. Screens glow, eerie numbers on a dark stage. I'm trying to make a living, break out of this cage. Trades by slate, hard in the tickers, every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Wind stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by slate, ghostly serenade. Watch them candles bleed like fangs in the mist. Intraday terror, every trade's a twist. Market ghouls whisper, trying to snatch my soul, but I'm steady on the grind, pockets full of gold. Creeping through the charts, shadows in disguise, haunted by the graphs, fear in my eyes. Every trade a thriller, heart beats, quick pace, victory in sight, I ain't falling from grace. Trades by slate, hard in the tickers, every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Wind stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by slate, ghostly serenade.